Sir, I am speaking on the Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2000. Sir, क्या है?
जी जी.
And I am opposing this bill and also supporting my amendments to the bill as has been put. As I mentioned in my opposition to the introduction yesterday, that we read George Orwell's 1984, where they said Big Brother is watching. This is another example of Big Brother who sits in the Home Ministry, watching over the whole country who gets what money from where. So, this bill is essentially meant to tighten, put the screws on those organizations which receive funds from abroad. We know, sir, in 2016, the Home Ministry had cancelled the license of Lawyers Collective run by noted lawyers Indira Jaising and Anand Grover for various violations. The ministry said that Mrs. Jaising received foreign funds when she held the post of Additional Solicitor General in violation of FCRA norms. Mrs. Jaising refuted the ministry's allegation and said she was a public servant and not a government servant. This is the main question. They have now changed government servant into public servant, so that people like Indira Jaising, who are known for their fight for people's freedom, women's issues, they are not prohibited. As I said, sir, that the ministry is trying to put the screws on the organization. They have said that if any organization receives foreign contribution, it cannot transfer the foreign contribution to any other organization. This will mean a major blow to NGOs working collaboratively on projects and programs. This may also place foreign funding agencies or foreign grant-making organizations registered under FCRA in difficulty. Second thing is that this bill says that these people must produce their Aadhaar card. Now, Supreme Court has said that Aadhaar card is not compulsory. It's a document for identification only for receiving targeted public distribution money. So why should you make Aadhaar card compulsory? That is to keep a better control over these people. Sir, earlier, the money which came from abroad could be kept in any scheduled commercial bank or nationalized bank. Now they are saying that all the money must come into an account with State Bank of India, Delhi. You can open it anywhere in the country, and then that money has to be transferred to wherever the organization opens an account. Now, this is another way of controlling foreign contributions coming in by having the account in only one specified bank, only one specified account. Sir, now, the bill proposed, earlier it was said that the FCRA registration may be suspended for such period not exceeding 180 days. Now they are saying that it may be 180 days or such further period not exceeding 180 days, which means for 360 days their registration may be suspended. Sir, the bill now proposes that the MHA may permit any organization to surrender the certificate granted under this Act. MHA is satisfied that the organization has not contravened any provisions of FCRA, and any asset, if created out of such contribution, has been vested in the competent authority. So this is another way of controlling all the funds with the NGOs. Sir, may I remind you that Mother Teresa, who received the Nobel Peace Prize, had done most of her work as missionaries of charity for the destitute, for the poor, for the lepers. Most of her money came from all over the world. Now, if Mother Teresa was alive today, her missionaries of charity is still there, this government will put the screws on Mother Teresa's organization. Sir, there is no need for this bill at all. This bill is only to satisfy people like
B. Chandrasekhar.
Satyapal Singh, sir, just 1 minute, who said
Please conclude.
Darwin's theory of evolution. These are people who are suspicious. They are constantly in high-handed Hindu revivalism is their credo.
B. Chandrasekhar,
and that's
please.